What challenges does AI face, and how can blockchain help? Learn how these two technologies can work together in this video. Welcome to JA Crypto. The main challenge of artificial intelligence is that its decisions are not often transparent, which can lead to trust and ethical issues. Blockchain can help AI with this. Certain key features of blockchain, such as its immutable transparent digital records and decentralized data storage, could help provide insights into a typically centralized AI. In other words, blockchain could potentially provide trust, privacy, and accountability to AI. Blockchain could improve AI in the areas of augmentation, automation, and computing power. In addition to establishing trust, enhancing data security and integrity. There are many real-world use cases of how blockchain and AI could work together in different industries. The key advantage of artificial intelligence is its ability to simulate human reasoning and react quickly to large volumes of many different inputs. However, this is also its drawback, as the complexity of the AI decision-making process is often not transparent. Complex machine learning models in AI, such as deep neural networks, are often black boxes. This problem is known as explainability or the lack thereof and can lead to trust and ethical issues. Here's how this could work in more detail. Trust. Accountability is one of the challenges AI is facing, affecting the trust people have in its outputs. How its algorithms work must be explainable if we are to trust AI. This understanding would lead to more confidence in the accuracy of AI outputs. Using blockchain's immutable digital record could help to better understand the framework behind AI and the source of the data it is using. This could help to improve trust in AI's data integrity and by extension the recommendations that AI provides. Data security and integrity. Blockchain's decentralized data storage can act as an audit trail to show users how their data is being used by companies and other centralized organizations. If AI models are stored and distributed on blockchains, their decisions could become more decentralized, accountable, and transparent. Blockchain can help AI to expand by allowing for more actionable insights, better management of data consumption and model, by providing access to data both internal and external to an organization. This could potentially create a more trustworthy and transparent data market. Combining AI and blockchain could provide value to multi-party business processes by reducing the need for human intervention. Blockchain technology can remove potentially unnecessary third parties from multi-party transactions, which can in theory accelerate the speed and increase efficiencies across those transactions. Reducing the friction between transactions could empower individuals to own their data, while blockchain ensures the security of the transaction process. AI is very resource-intensive and can require large amounts of computational power, which centralized data servers might not be able to cope with. Distributed ledger technologies like blockchain could help by utilizing the computing power of many machines. AI could also bring benefits to blockchains. For example, AI could improve the intelligence of blockchain-based business networks and give them a competitive edge, as it can quickly and comprehensively read, analyze, and find linkages between data. AI models incorporated in smart contracts that are implemented on a blockchain could utilize predetermined thresholds and events to execute transactions like reorders, payments, or inventory purchases, as well as suggest expired products to recall. Furthermore, AI algorithms could potentially help with the detection of fraudulent activity on the blockchain. Therefore, AI can work together with blockchain to further scale and automate processes for evaluating transactions. There are many examples of how blockchain and AI could potentially work together in different industries. For example, electronic health records could be stored on blockchains and AI could help provide treatment insight from patients' data. With data shared on blockchains, medical practitioners can work together across organizations to improve care. In the pharmaceutical industry, blockchain and AI could enhance the traceability of the drug supply chain. Combining AI-enabled data analysis with a decentralized blockchain framework could enable data integrity, transparency, patient tracking, consent management, automation of trial participation and data collection for clinical trials. Blockchain could enable real-time multi-party tracking the management of documents and bank statements. Near-instant point-to-point funds transfer between financial institutions could remove friction and accelerate settlements. AI and blockchain could aid in digitizing currently paper-based processes, making data shareable and trustworthy, while adding intelligence and automation to execute transactions. Thank you for watching. Please click on the thumbs up button if you like this content and also click the subscribe button to be notified whenever we post new videos. Remember, always do your own research. All examples listed are for informational purposes only. Nothing contained herein shall constitute a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or offer by JA Crypto to invest, buy, or sell any digital assets.